Do you remember the tell a friend? Back in the days, old days of internet, you had a small form and you could write your friend email and your name, and they will receive an email telling them about this cool new tool. And with the website chatbot of Builderall, you can do something like that. Look at this. I made it in advance. So first things is a question. If you want to send this to a friend, sure, no way, and what is your name? If they say okay, you take the name as a variable, and then what is your friend's email address, and then you can send an email. You can choose, so the outgoing email, you can choose one of yours or the default one, the mailing boss email. So let's say my email, send to email one, so the variable we took, and you can compose the title and the subject. So it will be more like hello, it's so the title is the subject, in fact, the subject of the email, and subject is more the body of the email. So hello, it's first name, and hi, it's first name. Check this out, and you put your link, build and roll. So fine. So you see, and after that you can say oh, it's done. So after this you put it here, and you say cool, your friend has been notified at. You can put again the email address. So save change, okay, and you have your chatbot. So if you want to see it, we can try like a very easy one. So you can change all this and you can put your own avatar. If you say no way, I redirect to a website, the best website, buildandroll.com. So sure, what's your name? My name. My name. Okay, James. What's your friend's email address? So it will work like this. And this, you can embed it in any web page you want, on System.io or on your Builderall page or anything, WordPress. You can embed it. You can even embed it on a small window on the bottom right. You can do what you want with it. You just have the embed code and you put it where you want. So, and of course, I'm not showing you here all the possibilities, but this website chatbot is becoming very good. You can see that it can send data to a webhook. So you can send all this information to a webhook, to Zapier, Pabbly, or Make, and do things with data. You can send to MB. MB is a mailing boss, your own autoresponder, email autoresponder. You can do many things. Send to, I will not enter into details about it, but check it out and think about all the uses you can do with this chatbot, which is not linked to Facebook or Instagram. You have other chatbot tools in Builderall to do that with Facebook, Instagram, but this one is independent, so you can use it on your website with no need to log in into something or to have some rules. You can do what you want with it in terms of functionalities, and also you have here collected data. So you can go back and see things. You can send email to yourself with the data to webhook. I think this is very important because it opens a lot of possibilities that from this chatbot you can do many things, all the things you can do with Zapier and with other tools connecting to Zapier. So imagine from just one email address that you ask on this chatbot, it can expand with the help of other tools and an automation tool like a Zapier. So think about all the things you could do by asking those questions, or even it can be a tutorial, a course made with this chatbot. And you're not limited. You can zoom out, zoom in, and organize like you want. It's very, very nice. You have delays, so it doesn't look like automatic answer. You can wait for 2 seconds before replying something. You can add images to your messages in the chatbot. So it's very nice. Check it out. Bye-bye.